Hi viewers, welcome to my channel. In this video we'll see written function with the return type. Okay, return with return keyword. Okay, so I have created sample function return type object, and every Scala program start with the main function. So def main. Okay, so here one more function I am creating. Okay, I'm giving some summation name. Okay, I'm taking two parameters, int b int. Okay, so return type I'm mentioning int. So first function name parameters colon which data type you want to return. So return type also integer. So if you perform any operations on integer, return type also integer only, right? So you will get integer. Okay, so here I'm using return keyword. Return what I am returning a plus b. Okay, so this is a function with the return type. I am returning integer type a plus b also. If a integer and b integer, then a plus b also integer. So once function is created, we have to call that. So calling that function. Okay, how to call summation? So a 100 comma 200. So we'll execute. So output is not coming because we are nowhere giving print statement. So we can give print here. Then run. Yeah, so output is coming. This is a function with a return keyword. Okay, so we'll discuss other type of function in next video. Okay.